this is a test of the VoCo system. I'm using a Mac running macOS Catalina and the voice control feature. To do this is actually very simple. All you need to do is you go to choose System Preferences. So inside System Preferences, we go to Accessibility. So in Accessibility, we go to Voice Control. For instance, I go to Commands. So here is where I can put in my own commands. So I'll just type in here robot beep. So we'll choose an action here, paste text, and that's the action. So now I'm going to switch to TextEdit. Robot beep. So you can see that that command has been inserted. So I want to see if I can do a whole line follower this way. Init drive base, init color sensor, while true, if statement, sensor reflection greater than 20, insert tab, turn left, else statement, insert tab, turn right, select all, copy that, switch to code, paste that, start program. Stop program. End program. End program. So that concludes the demonstration. There's still some bugs to be worked out, but hopefully you can see the potential. So thanks very much for watching.